Hey Divi Nation, welcome to our brand new installment of our ongoing Divi design initiative, where we aim each week to give you a brand new free Divi layout pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a new, fresh scooter rental layout pack we think you'll enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. This scooter rental layout pack comes straight from our design team to bring you world-class designs and page layouts to help you get the scooter rental website up and running that you deserve. It includes 7 pre-made layouts strategically designed for the scooter rental industry and comes with royalty-free photos that you can use without restrictions and much more. And this layout pack is available right now inside Divi as the latest addition to our growing library of over 200 pre-made layout packs, which you'll definitely want to check out as well. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new scooter rental layout pack on your own website. So before you can start adding pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription if you haven't already. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Go ahead and click the Updates tab and enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once done, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Now we can start the process of creating all of our pages and adding each of those corresponding pre-made layouts from the scooter rental layout pack to those pages. Let's get started by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title. We'll start with the home page, and then click Use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. And from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new scooter rental layout pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want. We want the home page, and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save the draft or publish it. And you want to continue this same process to create all of your remaining pages and add each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages as well. And once all the pages have been created with those pre-made layouts added to each one, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. Under menu settings, don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. After that, we're ready to create a static home page for the website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select that home page we just created. And then click Save Changes. Now you have a new website up and running with the new scooter rental layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. Give us that thumbs up if you like this video, and we hope to see you in our next video.